Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Bagus Insan. I'm study at the Institute Teknologi Telkom Purwokerto. I'm here will present my business plan and title Antrin Aja application. So, my business makes it easier for driver to repair damage to vehicle easily. Okay, let's just go to the next slide. Okay, in this slide, there is a background. The background of our business is Antrin Aja is a mobile application to make it easier for clients to order gasoline, tire pads, and vehicle service in an emergency. In addition, it has advantage in the form of a fairly cheap price, and the process is fast and makes it easier for motorbike or car riders when there are technical problem on the way. Okay, so it's clear that our business makes it easy for motorbike and car drivers when there is a problem with their vehicle. Okay, go to the next slide. Okay, in this slide, there is our business goal. So what is the purpose of our business? Okay, in running a business, an entrepreneur has a purpose for why he funded the business. The following are our business goals. Okay, number one, increase UMKM for time to time. So we want to work with small entrepreneurs to join the Antrin Aja application. So that small entrepreneurs can increase their income with this application. Okay, next. Number two, increase market opportunities and prospect. So we want to increase market opportunities and prospect through the Antrin Aja application. With this application, small entrepreneurs get more customer and are known by more customer. Okay. Number two is to get high profits. Apart from working with UMKM, getting high profits is one of our goals in increasing business progress. Not only UMKM that benefit, but we as platform providers also benefit. So it's clear that our goal in designing this business is to make it easier for small business. So that when you will join us, so that the unemployment rate in Indonesia is getting lower day by day. Let's move on to the next slide. Okay, business vision and mission. This slide contains vision and mission of the business. So our business vision and mission. Business vision providing convenience on every trip. Business vision. First point, create a safe service platform. Next, enables everyone to use service access properly and easily. And then improve the standard of living of partners. Let's move on to the next slide. Okay. In this slide, there is a specification of the product. So what are the services in the Antrin Aja application? Okay. Number one, their bensin in Indonesian language. Bensin. The first is the gasoline feature. If the driver of the vehicle runs out of gas in the middle of the village, or maybe in the middle of the city, but is far from filling up with full at Pertamina. The solution is simple to open the Antrin Aja application, which includes Pertamina, who has joined us. Users only ask questions or chat to the Pertamina admin. When the user has request or order gasoline by entering the desired gasoline option. The first is Pertamax gasoline, the second is Pertalite, and the third is solar gasoline. Then input the number of liters of gasoline that must be brought to the location of the user vehicle. Then the system will automatically display the location of the user's vehicle and will automatically connect to Google Maps for the price of gasoline. We take ₹1,000 profit for the original price. For example, the original price of 1 liter is ₹8,000. Then 1 liter is value at ₹9,000. In addition, there is a delivery fee for gasoline. We appreciate it for a distance of 1 kilometer at the price of ₹3,000. Okay, so don't worry about running out of gas when you are in the middle of the village or far from Pertamina. The solution is only one in the Anterin Aja application. Okay, next. Then there is Indonesian language is tambal ban fitur. This feature will make it easier for road driver when the tires leak. May not be forced to work with a leaky tire because it will damage part of the tire. Then the solution is to just open the Anterin Aja application. It's the same process as the previous feature. The difference is that users are asked to choose what vehicle they use. The choice is a motorbike and car. Then the user will be asked to choose again when the user select a motorbike. Then the choice is in Indonesian language is ban tubles and ban biasa, or Indonesian language ban biasa ya. Then after completing the selection input, the mechanic will automatically get the location from the user to come to the user vehicle. For the repair of ban tubles and ban biasa at a price of ₹15,000. The shipping cost is the same, which is ₹3,000 for a distance of 1 kilometer. So don't worry when your tire has a problem. Then the solution is only one in the Anterin Aja application. Okay, next. Then there is service. Yes, in Indonesian language, it is service. The service is to repair the vehicle when an emergency is far from the workshop. The solution is only to open the Anterin Aja application. And when the user select the service feature, there will be a complaint page. On the complaint page, the user can tell any mechanic damage to the vehicle, and also, of course, enter the name of the car and the type of car. So the mechanic can know the solution to repair your vehicle. Then, as usual, when the user has entered the data, the system will automatically send the location of the vehicle to the mechanic, and it will be directly connect to Google Maps. The price we offer to the user is divided into 3 parts. The first is light service. If the motorbike costs ₹45,000 and if the car is ₹120,000, sorry, then there is medium service. The price is if the motorbike is ₹100,000 and if the car is ₹200,000. And there is a hard service. The price of the hard service depends on the mechanic who determines it because there are motorbike or car components that must be replaced. So what determines the type service is the mechanic, maybe the low service type, the medium service type, or the hard service type. It's the mechanic who determines. Then there is the same hostage as before. Sorry. With a distance of 1 kilometer at a price of 3,000 rupiah. So don't worry about repairing your vehicle in an emergency. The solution is only in the Antrin Aja application. Okay, we are at the end of the slide. Of course, there is a conclusion from our business plan. Okay, the conclusion of our business plan is we provide service for motorbikes and cars when there is an emergency or not. With this application, we can easily contact a mechanic quickly and can reduce unemployment in Indonesia by joining the Antrin Aja application. Okay, next. Okay, if you have questions, please send a message via email list on the slide. Thanks for listening and read the explanation of my business plan. May all of you always be give health and blessing. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.